Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add a blog post on Wix. So first thing that you need to do is you have to go ahead and open your web browser and then log in to your Wix account. Okay, so now that you're here, make sure that you have the right account. Now, at the left side, be able to see here the blog options. You just click on it and you'll be able to see here the review, the comments, the categories, tags, and etc. So we'll just click on the post option. Okay, so right here you can also edit a post. So and up here you can create a new post. So let's go over to the post option. So here you'll be able to see the published post that you have created, and at the top you'd be able to see the drafts of your post, the pending review, the scheduled one, and of course the trash. Okay, so let's go to the published post, and right here you can click on the post. Okay, and then you'd be able to move it to trash or revert to draft. Okay, so you can also edit this post right here, so just click on it. Now let's go ahead and click on create a new post. So now you'll be redirected to this page right here. And then in this section, you'll be able to add a catchy title. Okay, so it's up to you. Or you can also use the AI text to generate your own title. Okay, so here you just have to type it out in this section. And then after that, you can click on this create AI title. But before that, let's go ahead at the tab. So here is the publish button. After editing and finalizing your post, you just have to click on it. So now let's go ahead and click on this create AI title. So here you just have to describe what this post about. So see, for example, I want to create a title for my chicken flavor. So just type out right here chicken food. So something like that, and then you'll be able to click on the create a title. So if the title that you're looking for is not here, so you can also click on this X icon and then add your own title. Okay, so see, for example, I want to make a title about a chicken flavor you never tasted. So let me just type it out. Okay, so after that, when I click down here to start writing my post where I can add images, video text, anything I want here. So to start with, I might say this is a post about chicken flavors. Okay, and that's probably all the text I'll add in here, but we'll go over all of the options. Okay, so after typing out this text, and in here at the top is all of your text options and ways that you can insert link, hyperlink, all of those basic content management system options are up here. So to bold the text, to create lists, to highlight all of that kind of stuff. So now over here, when I click on this heading icon, I'd be able to choose the heading that I want and then the size of the font. And then if I want to bold this text, all I have to do is to highlight the text and then click on the bold option. You also have here the highlight color. So if you want to highlight the color of the text, you can just click on it. Okay, so let me just try to choose the different highlight for you to see. Okay, so make sure that the highlight color is different from the font color so that the text is still visible. Okay, so you can also reset to default if you don't want it. And here you also have the underlined, italic, and the bold option. Okay, so right here you can also try to explore these options, the alignment, the spacing of the text. So if you want to be more detailed about this, just click on it. Now just click on here at the left side, you have your settings, SEO, categories, your tags, monetization, and your translation. So when you click on add option right here, you would be able to see this plus icon. So it's just the same when you click on the add option at the left side corner of the screen or just click on the plus button beside your text. So after that, you'd be able to see here your image, gallery video, your file GIF that you can upload, also the elements. So you have here divider, your button, table, expandable list, pool, HTML code, AdSense, a SoundCloud, and you can also add a product from your site. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload our image right here. So to do that, let's just close this one once again. And then let's try to click on this space down here and then click on this plus button and then click on image. Okay, so just click on upload a media if you want to upload from your computer. So just click on it and then just have to locate your folder and select the image that you want to upload. So see, for example, I want to use this image right here and then click on open. Then just wait until the uploading process is complete, and then you can now select the image, and you can also export here from media from Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. Okay, so just select your image and then click on add to page. Okay, so let me just click on the image and click on add to page, and as you can see, I have now my image right here. So when you select the image, we even have some image options here of how that image is displayed. You can align it to the left, center, or right. You've got edit image options. You can go into the settings. You can actually link this image to different page or any other different element. So actually a web address or a section of a page. You can also adjust the size of the image and how it fits within your page. So let me try to adjust this image. So you just have to click on it and click on this icon, the size, and just select the size of your image. And let me select the medium fit. So now over here on the left side, we have a settings for this post. And inside of here, it went ahead and pulled that image in as our featured image. So we just pulled in the first image, but you can actually update this. So the first image in your post and the featured image don't have to be the same. So you can click on the featured image and actually upload something, and that's going to be the image that is the thumbnail of your post. So you can just publish it now when you hit that publish button. So let us try to use the search bar to search for a specific image. So for example, chicken food, and then select the image that you want. So after selecting that, you just have to click on add to page, and that image would be the thumbnail of your image. Okay, so right here you can click on the publish now option, and that image will automatically be published. And you can also change the writer for this post. So you can also schedule a post. Okay, so when you click on the publish now option right here, so the specs, you'd be able to choose a specific date to schedule a post. Okay, and you can also change the writer. Just click on the arrow and click on new writer for this post, and then just toggle the switch on if you want to feature this post. So here in the advanced section, there's an excerpt. So basically, this is like a meta description that we're basically putting in here that we want if this post. So let's say this post shows up in here in Google search, then this excerpt is what would show up. We can also add related posts. So at the bottom of this post, we would see related posts. So let's say that we think something like a falls, waterfalls, or just a chicken, and then we could select those other posts that we've made and then hit done, and then those are what's going to show up as related posts. So we can allow or disallow commenting on this post as well. So if you don't want comments on your blog, you can just uncheck to any post you don't want comments on. So we have some SEO options right here on the left. You have an assistant here. You can also go to the basics for the URL. So you can change the URL flag. So whatever your URL is for your site and your domain and everything and your blog, then this is going to show up sort of at the end of it your title text. It's going to be the title. So at the top of your browser, and actually the meta description here would be what the search engines choose to display. So actually what this is back here in settings, this advanced mode here, this is actually the excerpt that would show up next to your thumbnail on your website. Either the first part of your post will show up, or you can say, I want a specific excerpt to show up on the clickable thumbnail of this is on my blog layout. And then when you go to the post, they'll just read whatever I have written in the post. So if you don't want the first sentences of your post to be the excerpt, this is where you can change that in the SEO settings. So if you want it to show up on Google search in a certain way, either you copy paste your excerpt if it's the same thing and you put in the meta description here with your keywords and what you want to rank for, and all that help make you show up a better search result, and then also make it more clickable and enticing. So here it gives you the options to customize it now. So right here in the categories, you can create a category if you don't have any. So create categories to organize topics and helps readers find posts that interest them. So see, for example, I want to create a category, namely the foodie. So let me just create just one, then click on the checked mark icon. And then you have now your category. So you can also add tags. So this is more of an organizational. So for your site, tagging posts allows you to relate posts together. So it allows you to sort and filter and organize posts by tags. So you can add some tags here if you wanted. And then if you wanted the monetization features or something else on Wix, where you can offer subscriptions and add paywalls to selected posts. So if you have some kind of membership here on Wix, you can get it there and do. However, that's probably not what most people are going to worry about with their posts. And then of course the translation opportunity to make your blog multilingual, probably also something you're not too worried about. Basically you want to know how we can add posts and add the title. So add this maybe a couple of settings over here, but then work through your post and add all these different sections and be able to write, edit link, and of course publish your post. Before we click the publish, let's see what's in the dots. So if you want to save it as a draft, you can just drop that down, save as a draft, so come back to it later to finish. You can schedule also your post from here, so that immediately publishing. So look at the post history. You can even duplicate a post if you wanted to create a new post based on another post. You can actually do that. So right here easily by just doing into the original and duplicate it and then kind of edit it from then. And after that, we can publish our post now. And then as you can see, great, the post has been published. And then just click on the X icon and here be able to see the published post that you have created. And then after that, here on the left side, just click on the home button or the home option. So this one right here. And then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so now just click on the design site option. So this one right here. And then you'd be redirected to your blog post or to your website. And then go to your blog post. So as you can remember, these are the posts that we selected, the related posts, and those are going to show up down here. And as well, if you don't select any, it might just show the recent post down here. So all of that is controllable. So if you want more video tutorial like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.